In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project milestones in ClickUp. Understanding how to set milestones is crucial for effectively managing your projects and keeping everything on track. Think of milestones as those key markers that signify important stages of your project's progress. So let's dive in and see how you can set them up. To begin, you need to open the specific task that you want to convert into a milestone. This can be done by navigating through your ClickUp workspace and selecting the right task from any of the available views, whether it's a list, board, or calendar. Simply hover over the task or click on it to open it up. It's important to pick the right task because milestones are usually significant events like deadlines or deliverables, so ensure that the task reflects something crucial to your project's timeline. Once you have the task open, or if you're hovering over it, look towards the task options and locate the ellipsis, which appears as 3 little dots. Clicking on this ellipsis will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your task. This menu contains a variety of useful tools, but for today, our focus is on the task type option within this menu. Click on Task Type, which will present you with different classifications for your task. In this drop-down, you'll see the option to choose Milestone. Selecting this is what transforms your task into a milestone. What happens next is pretty neat. Your task now visually stands out by displaying a diamond icon next to its name. This diamond symbol is an easy way to identify your milestones at a glance, adding another layer of visual organization to your project management. And voila, you've successfully created a milestone in ClickUp. By following these simple steps, your task has been transformed into a milestone, allowing you to easily track the completion of key phases in your project. Remember, milestones should represent significant points in your project's timeline, so choose them wisely. They not only keep your team aligned, but also provide a clear path forward and help to measure progress effectively. Additionally, as you navigate through ClickUp and manage various projects, keep in mind that your milestones can also be included in reports and dashboards. They can help communicate progress to stakeholders or team members, emphasizing how essential setting milestones can be for successful project management. I hope this step-by-step guide makes your ClickUp experience smoother and more productive. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos if you want to explore more features in ClickUp. Happy milestone setting!